Ever wondered how mastering the art of goodbye can shape your next chapter? This video explores how to say goodbye with intention, grace, and personal improvement in mind. This goodbye method will change everything. Goodbyes are inevitable. Whether it's leaving a job, ending a relationship, moving to a new city, or even saying farewell to an old version of yourself, goodbyes shape our lives. Yet, many of us struggle with them, clinging to the past, avoiding closure, or rushing through endings without reflection. But what if we could turn goodbyes into meaningful transitions? What if, instead of fearing them, we embrace them as opportunities for growth? Why goodbyes matter? Every ending carries weight. Psychologists suggest that unresolved goodbyes can lead to emotional baggage, while well-processed farewells foster resilience. A meaningful goodbye brings closure. It helps you accept change, honors the past. It acknowledges what was meaningful, prepares you for the future. It clears emotional space for new beginnings. Ignoring goodbyes leaves loose ends, but handling them thoughtfully can transform your personal growth journey. How to say goodbye in a meaningful way. Acknowledge the emotion. Before you can move forward, you must recognize what you're feeling. Are you sad, relieved, angry, nostalgic? Suppressing emotions only delays healing. Try this. Write a letter, even if unsent. Expressing your thoughts. Talk to a trusted friend about what the goodbye means to you. Reflect on the experience. Every phase of life teaches us something. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this chapter? How did it shape me? What will I carry forward? Journaling or creating a lessons learned list can help solidify these insights. Express gratitude. Even difficult goodbyes can include gratitude. Thanking someone or even an experience shifts your focus from loss to appreciation. Ways to show gratitude. Say it in person. I'm grateful for what we shared. Leave a small gift or note. Mentally thank the experience before letting go. Create a ritual. Rituals provide structure to emotions. They don't have to be grand, just intentional. Ideas. Light a candle to symbolize closure. Visit a meaningful place one last time. Delete old messages or declutter physical reminders. Set an intention for the next chapter. A goodbye isn't just about endings. It's about beginnings. Ask, who do I want to become now? What do I want to invite into my life next? Visualizing your future self can make the transition smoother. When goodbyes are especially hard, some farewells cut deeper. Losing a loved one, a long-term relationship, or a dream. In these cases, allow yourself to grieve. Healing isn't linear. Seek support. Therapy or support groups can help. Find meaning. Ask, how can this loss make me stronger or more compassionate? The art of reinvention. Every goodbye is a chance to redefine yourself. Instead of resisting change, ask, what old habits or beliefs can I leave behind? What new version of myself is waiting to emerge? Personal growth thrives in transitions. By mastering meaningful goodbyes, you don't just move on, you evolve. A well-handled goodbye is a gift to yourself and others. It honors the past while freeing you to step into the future with clarity and courage. So next time you face an ending, don't rush it. Don't avoid it. Say goodbye with purpose. Because how you end things determines how you begin anew.